long-awaited house tour, but we're going to go ahead and get started. Also to mention, I didn't mention this yesterday, but I started making the video actually already, and it kind of made it a little bit long. I'm going to do Novelle's room separately because there's so much in there that a lot of people have asked me, like a nursery tour and whatnot, but we're actually calling it not a nursery tour anymore because she doesn't have anything really in there that's little babyish anymore, but it could be still nursery, but we're going to do that all separately, just so everybody's aware. Okay, that was my kitchen. My litter box and everything's on top of the crate so the dog stays out of it. This room is our pop can room. We have garbage in there. We have boots, coats, stuff like that in there that we're not going to really show. We're going to show this area after we come back through. My grandmother hand painted this, which is pretty cool. And also, sorry about the dishes that we had. We actually ate breakfast this morning, and we live here, like I had said before. We're watching VeggieTales right now. Well, he is. Her and her messy little hair. Playing her beatbox. And then she made a mess and she pulled all the movies out of there. That's awesome. Okay. These are just Christmas gifts. She doesn't realize yet. We have a few under the tree, but these are just a few extra. And we'll let you know holiday work, and we'll do like a what we got Novella 2018 Christmas thing too. Here's the cat pole. Here's our small Christmas tree. We only have a small one this year just because there's not a lot of room. But there's some of the gifts. And then this little music box my mother-in-law made when she was in crafting school, I think she said. And then here's some toys. Then we're going to go all the way around the room. We have a screen there because the cats think it's okay to jump back and forth, and we don't like them on the counter. We rarely don't like them up there because that's where our sink is, and instead of chasing them just completely out, we just put the screen up there because it's easier. And then we have my little wind chime. Okay, here's her swing. We got this from a friend named Cheyenne. So I'm not sure where she got it either. She had it for her daughter. And then over here we have our coffee table. Novelle has her sippy cup sitting there. That's empty now, so I probably should get her some juice too. But here's our dog. Her name is Remy, and she's a purebred blue tick hound. It's her bed. As we come over here, obviously all of our movies down there, and that you see that all of our mess, because I wasn't going to mention that, but whatever. And then we just have some things down here. Sorry about the lighting. And then those are supposed to go on the tree, but we haven't done it yet. And we just have our candle lighting. This is the Nashville made with oils. It's pumpkin pecan waffles. And it smells wonderful. Like, you would love it. We got it from Bath and Body Works last year. And then here's just a picture of me and my girls from high school. As we go around. This is Novelle's. We also got this from Cheyenne. And it's just a frozen thing. And Novelle's pulling her ball pit out. She doesn't know that we're watching. Oh, she's getting into it. That's why she's pulling it out. And then here, just some knickknacks and trophies and wall decor. They're Colts bowling trophies. And we got all of these from Walmart. Except this. I'm not sure where I got this, but I got this a couple years ago from my parents. So, and then we just have this, as I call this my pregnancy chair, and I really like it a lot. It does wonders for you. Underneath, we have some of Novelle's books. We have her truck. We have some extra blankets back there. And we have an Atari all the way back there. It's in its box, and I put it back over there. And then the lion toy that we saw on the other side of the room actually goes there. But that's okay. And then I see she pulled her top off there. And then these are going to Goodwill. We're just waiting to finish packing this bag, and then we should be okay. There's my hunting pants. This we got from Walmart last year. Was one of my Christmas gifts, and then Novelle's Vampirina hat's just sitting there. Okay, we're going to go upstairs. Oh, and this is just a box from the Christmas tree, and then just the chair that we use when we play the Atari. Going up the stairs, there's Blaze, our cat. We just decorated that a little bit. Right here we have our mail slot thing, and then we also have a picture from Cheyenne, the one that gave us the other, and it just says grow in our family's garden of love. We have some of my dolls here. This is my diploma from Salmaker. We have these. And then this fell off the wall last night, but that's okay. Our cat scratching post. We have Novelle's 2 Build-A-Bear workshops. And they're just sitting there because she likes them. This is a memory of my mother because she died in 2013. And we have our Easter, and then we have Christmas. And then just a few. But that picture right there normally goes right there where that hook is. And then we just go upstairs. We have another cat pole. in our stand. This leads to outside, like in the first video. And again, yes, it is snowing all of a sudden. This is our bathroom. We're not going to show you that area. And then this right here is Novelle's room, and this is our room. We're just going to show you our room, and then we're going to skip and go ahead and cut it. And then later I'll post one of Novelle's room. Just make it easier. Nothing too fancy. We got that lamp from Walmart. Our button is missing. It's sitting over there because Novelle keeps taking it off. And then you just walk in. Here's our closet. We're not going to show you that, though. I do need to vacuum in here still. Haven't done that. Here are a few things. Yes, we are a very big believer in coconut oil. And then we also use this, too, which is awesome. I tried it on Novelle, and she was so stuffy that it took her breath away, and we couldn't have it on her. But I love it on my feet, and it makes me relaxed at nighttime when I want to sleep. So, it's a dog shirt, my sweater. Just made the bed. Our TV, we have one of those big TVs. And then going around the room, just a few extra things. Some PJs for Novelle, her diaper bag over there with my wallet in it. And then my Polaroid camera right there. And then here's one of her Build-A-Bears. And it just sings. It just says happy birthday, Novelle. So, alright, well, that is our house tour. I hope you enjoyed. Here is to the outside. I hope you really liked this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And just go ahead and, I guess, click on one of my other channels. I'll link some down below. And then tune in later for another video of Novelle's room. Thanks. Bye.